No, I suggest.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Trident. So from quite a long, Samsung has been teasing their own manufactured flexible displays on their social media platforms, like here in this video where they're showing the endurance and durability of their flexible displays. I think these teasers can be taken as an indication that they have something big to offer in this growing market of flexible, foldable or rollable kind of segment of smartphones in the future. And recently they also revealed some prototypes of some truly innovative devices, and today we are going to talk about one of them. So check this out. This is a prototype tablet from Samsung that can be extended by rolling it out and then folded back. It may seem unusual at first glance, but it's truly a futuristic and innovative design. It's not only visually appealing but also convenient to use. The tablet already has a huge display, but if you want more better screen experience, you can extend the display from the side and then it becomes even bigger and wide. So it's kind of an experience, the convenience of a portable monitor with the power of a phone. The device is as big as a monitor yet easily portable to take with you on the go. Perform all the tasks you would on a traditional phone with the added benefit of a larger screen. It's truly remarkable. But still, while the folded state of the device may still appear large, it's important to remember that this is only a concept device, so I think the final product is expected to improve upon this prototype's design. The current prototype appears thick and bulky, which could have been useful to knock out someone, but this can be expected to change in the final version. However, the concept is really good and has potential for future development. I am also impressed by the groundbreaking camera placement in the corner, truly an architectural masterpiece. And let's not forget the 3 camera sensors, which are clearly there for show and not actual functionality, but hey, it gives the device a nice aesthetic boost. The overall design is impressive and has the potential to bring a revolution in this market by replacing traditional bulky tablets. This concept device is both practical and portable, making it a game changer for those who are always on the go. I wouldn't be surprised if we see similar designs from major companies like Samsung in the future. What's your take on this innovative device? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get notified each time we come up with content like this. And as always, we will see you in the next one.